So quote is very powerful. ठीक है, I'll say in Hindi. समय के पास इतना समय नहीं है कि वो दोबारा समय दे सके. समय के पास इतना समय नहीं है कि वो दोबारा समय दे सके. And the second quote is, if two people think absolutely same, it means one of them is not thinking. If two people think absolutely same, it means one of them is not thinking. So just to give an ideology, so we all are there. अगर हम सब लोग एक ही तरह से सोचेंगे तो फिर we are not required anymore, all of us. So it's actually good to have a difference of thinking, difference of thought process, difference of opinion, and that is how if you can align each other's opinion to a common cause, it becomes something amazing, creative. Okay, so now the quotes are there. I'll just quickly give a very good case study of this. So I was talking about this company called Wolverine. Now this Wolverine company at the 1994 and 1995, it had a kind of a tipping point there where the company was almost dead until that point. It tried ultimately to survive, but it couldn't. And it was basically a shoe company. And 1994 जब US के गांव में तब shoe बेचा करते थे, and that time the company sold around 39,000 pairs a year. So they didn't have enough sales to survive, so they were almost dying. But suddenly something amazing happened in some village or some small backwoods of hometown or family store. So while the shoe brand was dying, what was happening is that this shoe brand was there in the mom and pop stores of small villages. If you remember in the childhood, अगर आप दुकान गए होगे वहाँ पे आपको लैंसर का मिलता होगा दुकान में भी, स्पार्क्स, all these small kind of brands were sold in at one place. Bata, Lancer, I don't know, so many brands which I used in my childhood as well when you go to school. And these kind of mom and pop stores, this shoe started being sold there. What happened is that there are few kids in the downtown and some village. They started wearing one of the pair of shoes of this company, and they went to multiple places. They went to small village, small pubs there, some restaurants there, because they wanted to look unique. And anyway, that shoe was almost dying, that shoe brand. So they thought कि चलो यार मैं कुछ अलग पहन लेता हूँ, अलग दिखेंगे. And that is how that small वहाँ पे दुकान में people started noticing that. And at one fashion suit, two executive of this company saw an amazing drastic change. So using these the two kids who started wearing that, something happened in between which created a humongous growth of the sales. And these sales people, executive people, wanted to know कि हुआ क्या, ये suddenly sales बढ़ा कैसे इस company का. So ये लोग गए अपने एक fashion shoot में, and they ran into one of the stylists at New York, and they asked कि यार सडनली क्लब्स में, बार्स में, डाउनटाउन में, हर जगह ये शू लोग क्यों पहन रहे हैं. एंड बैक्स्टर बोलता है ये स्टोरी के बारे में, दैट ये जो दो बच्चे थे, छोटे बड़े बच्चे, ये घूम रहे थे, एंड somebody saw that and the people started buying in the mom and pop stores. धीरे धीरे आके फैल गया वो जाके. पहला कैसे? So first point of spreading of that brand happened when this one of the designer who designs shoes, he saw that shoe in that child's foot. उसने अडॉप्ट किया वो डिजाइन. ही स्टार्टेड सेलिंग इन वन ऑफ द बोटीक. सो पहले मॉम एंड पॉप स्टोर से बोटीक में आया, फिर उस बोटीक से एक दूसरा डिजाइनर शोरूम में गया. वहां पे वो बंदे ने पूरा वो होर्डर बना दिया था ऊपर टॉप में, बिकॉज इट वाज काइंड ऑफ लिटिल पॉपुलर. एंड फ्रॉम दैट होर्डर इट went into so many people through one of the local heroes. So local hero भी पहनने लग गया. उसके बाद local hero पहना, जैसे you see right currently how this new heroes they make up their brand. They start doing serials. Serials से फिर आते हैं वो TV series से. TV series से they go to, let's say, Tollywood or Collywood. Then they go to Bollywood. Then they go to Hollywood. So ऐसे करते this started becoming a chain reaction. And suddenly in 1995, in the late 1995, the company sold around 430,000 pairs of shoes. And in the next year, the sale became 4 times. So basically what happened is, the shoe passed on to a tipping point. I was talking about tipping point in the last book club. How do you sustain a brand? How do you sustain your product in a way that you don't give up too early? If you give up too early, the company was actually about to die. इसका मतलब almost company ने 5 से 10 साल spend कर लिए थे, where almost वो तो give up कर ही चुके थे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला था. But somehow something happened and the company sales got tipped. And now, do you know what the brand name is? Every one of you have, if you've been to Orion Mall or any big shopping mall, it is a designer brand called Hush Puppies. अगर आपने हश पपीज का नाम सुना होगा, इफ यू आर वेयरिंग दोस शूज, this is how the brand got tipped. It's a designer brand. From $30 shoes जो पहले बिकता था, now it is sold a huge amount of cost. That is the power of the tipping point happened. What are the 3 rules of tipping point which you can make this tipping point work for you is the most interesting factor. Why did this tipping point happen? The first law, the law of the few. What it states is that if you be in the game for a longer period of time and if you believe in your cause, some guy who has high influencing capabilities. In this case, what happened? A local hero started. The local hero का already fan following था. The moment local hero took that shoes, उसको जो भी follow करते थे वो they started buying that shoe. So until you reach to a law of few who can create a magnitude exponential effect towards your growth of your company or your idea or your even in your career as well, that tipping point happens in your life. The second is the stickiness factor. अब देखो जो ये बंदा जो शू पहना था, इसका डिजाइन बहुत सिंपल था एंड इट वाज यूनिक. इट वाज नॉट copied by any other brand and it was wore by those children, and because of the uniqueness factor the brand style got stick into the people's mind. The third is the power of context. Simple as that. Power of context, it states that if at this point of time in the COVID era, if you just see in the pre and post COVID era, what are the most critical thing people must be going through? Mental health. People are so scared about health now because of COVID is spreading like crazy and still news comes and then people are scared about it. So now at this power of context, if you start things in a right way and persist for a longer period of time, it will tip for you. Now, if you just see the example of Paytm as well. Paytm को कोई भनक नहीं था कि demonetization हो जाएगा. But before that, if you observe Paytm story, they were already there for 8-9 years. And suddenly when Modi ji announced for demonetization, if they would have quit earlier, shayad nahi. So the power of context that time helped to them to grow. So that's the power of the tipping point. So the book is really amazing. You can read this book and understand how you can create your life and create an environment such that you can create your life and your ideas to be tipped. So the just 3 rules of tipping point is the law of the few. The second is the stickiness factor. The third is power of context.